Hi, I want to tell you about a new product that I've recently come across. I'm sure you have something like this in your cupboard for your olive oils with a traditional pouring spout. In the past, I thought they were fine, but they do drip and they're kind of unsanitary. Then I discovered these Pouro pouring spouts and I absolutely love them. They prevent any spills or drips as you're pouring your liquids. Also, if you have a cap for your syrups and they get stuck, that also eliminates that problem. Let me show you how easily they twist open and they twist close. So simple, really easy to use. Let me show you how they clean pour. No drips, easy to store. They're dishwasher safe, they're reusable, and you can find this product on FLI Products, the Pouro pouring spout. Perfect gift in a stocking or for Christmas for your cooks or your wine connoisseurs. Highly recommend this. I love the Pouro pouring spout. Thanks.